Welcome back to section 5, our final section for the day. So once again, I will share my screen. And now we're going to talk, I don't know if you've noticed, in section 3 we talked about humans and nature in Western thought. Then we talked about humans in nature, which is really how indigenous people think of themselves, not as separate, not humans and nature, but humans in nature. And now we're going to talk about how humans treat nature, treatment of nature in contemporary agriculture, this industrial agricultural system that you learned about earlier today. So, this is going to be a task for you to kind of apply some of the things that you've learned so far. And before we do that, I have another scholarly task for you. And it's a short task again. And just like I wanted you to be able to visualize the groups, indigenous groups that you read about, one of the things that we should know is know more about the scholars that we're reading. Whenever you go on, if any of you go on to graduate school or go on to write anything, you need to know exactly kind of who are the big wigs, right? Who are the people who are pushing different thoughts in different directions of your specific field. So you're going to read short sections of two authors' work. One is Rachel Carson and her book Silent Spring, which you may have actually read in high school. And also the other essay is going to be by Wendell Berry. So before you read their works, I'd like you to just look up these authors and their books on the internet and just see what you can find about them. And in 50 words or less, again, keeping it nice and short so it doesn't take you too long, but make them really good 50 words. I want you to just write who were Rachel Carson and Wendell Berry, and what impact did their work have on society? What are they known for? Maybe even what rewards they achieved, or awards, they achieved. Perhaps what did their books lead to? So look up the two authors, pause this video, complete the task, and come back. Great. So, applying everything that we've talked about in terms of how humans relate to nature, I'd like you to read the following essays, and that's chapter 1 and 2 of Rachel Carson's Silent Spring. And again, like I said earlier, you'll find links, you actually find the PDFs of these essays on Canvas. And I want you to read the very short essay by Wendell Berry called Nature as Measure. And I would like you, once you've read them, or as you're reading it, keep in mind this question, because this is what you're going to answer. So in 50 words or less, I would like you to tell me, what do Carson and Berry say about the relationship between humans and nature in industrial agriculture? Use specific examples of the metaphors and the analogies they use. What do they compare it to? What do they say it means? What's the attitude that humans have towards nature if we look at this system of industrial agriculture? Rachel Carson will specifically be talking about chemicals, and Wendell Berry about industrial agriculture in general. So pause this video, read those 3 things with this question in mind, complete the task, and come back.